Welcome back to the Southern Snack where life is too short to be serious. All right, we made a big run at Dairy Queen today for their newest Blizzard items. And so I'm excited to give them some tries. So I've tried the pumpkin pie Blizzard. It's quite good, but compared to other pumpkin items that I've had in the past, I wouldn't say it's quite as good as those. But I still recommend it, no doubt, no doubt. I did some research to see if I ever did a review on the Snickerdoodle or Oreo Hot Cocoa Blizzards, and I hadn't. They're returning items that I had never reviewed. So here we are doing a review real quickly on those. So I hope that you subscribe and like and comment on this video. And this thing is melting. It's pissing me off. I hate when these things melt. They throw off my review. So let's go ahead and pose for that thumbnail. Actually, I want the Blizzard show. And yeah, so let's go ahead and try the Oreo one, which is melting all over me. It is a mix of Oreo and cocoa fudge flavors. So anyways, and it's topped with a dollop of whipped cream. This one's very easy to love. From the mix of the Oreos to how well they hit on the cocoa flavor. Not every hot cocoa item is flavored correctly, but this one definitely is. It's got the perfect amount of Oreos, the perfect amount of flavor. And it's hard not to give it a 10. It really is, because it really hypes everything up perfectly. It's got everything you want. So I'm gonna give it a 10. I don't know why in the past I would have thought this was something I would get like maybe an 8 or a 9 at best, but the flavors really come together real nicely. So it's simply Oreo and hot cocoa, but it's enriching with flavor. So there is Snickerdoodle, and of course, right when I show it to y'all, it's melted. So, but it's a mix of cinnamon and sugar flavors with cookie dough. People have been dying for this to come back. Who can blame them? It really hits on what it's trying to go for. An amazing blend of cinnamon sugar with cookie dough pieces. Now, sure, this isn't my favorite cookie dough flavor of all time that they've done. Maybe cinnamon sugar isn't really my favorite combination of all time. But they really hit this one well. I'm gonna give it an 8.5. A really good blend of sugar and spice and everything nice that you would want, right? So that's as simple as it gets. That is 2 of the returning Blizzards for the fall. You've also got pumpkin pie, of course, and then there's chocolate dipped strawberry, which doesn't belong at all. And then you got 2 new Reese's. There's a returning Reese's Pie and a new Reese's Fluffernutter. That review's already up because I've never tried either one of those, so go check that out. But these two, very impressive. I expect the two Reese's to be good, but don't know what to expect other than that. Well, I do know what to expect. I'm sorry. Chocolate dip strawberry, I don't think you should get. And pumpkin pie is pretty solid. And that one, I don't think is going to be here the whole fall. So pumpkin pie is probably what you're going to want to look into first. These two will probably be around to winter. So they do give off winter vibes too. So don't know why they put these in the fall menu. I wish they would start a winter menu. Like 4 Blizzard flavors for the winter. That would be fun. But this is where we're at. So hopefully you enjoyed this. And I will see y'all around.